story is something very close to my heart. I had two childhood best friends and we were so close. They were brothers, and both of them would also treat me as their little sister. They were from Konyak tribe. Their names were Arab and Manton. And both of them were footballers. And even met a milestone back in the year 2025 during the Top 20-hour trophy tournament by winning for their team. Grew up spending more time with the two and they were my best like my family. However, as time passed, our feelings towards each other grew. Both the brothers ended up being in love with me. I, on the other hand, could neither choose one. So I decided to forever disappear from their life, not because I had them, but because I love them.